I'd like to introduce to you Elevate, a collection of 10 Ableton processing racks that you can use to elevate your music right now. Decades in the making, these powerful processing chains will help you achieve incredible mixes in seconds, not years. And by the way, you can click here to learn everything you need to know about Elevate right now, or just keep watching the vid as we take a look at some of these processing racks in action. Using these racks is super intuitive. All you need to do to get started is simply drag and drop any rack onto a track in Ableton. And as I've mentioned, we're going to give you 10 amazing racks that can help you shape and evolve your sound in lots of different ways. Take, for instance, the Hyper Lo-Fi rack, which can easily convert any sound into a lo-fi sound bed. Let's take a listen to what that sounds like. And what's amazing about these racks is how easily you can adjust the parameters. Simply playing with a few macros and you can really dial in the Hyper Lo-Fi rack. Another awesome feature of these racks is the presets. Take, for instance, the Hyper Drums rack. This rack is an all-in-one drum bus processing rack, and you can use this to throw it on your drum group to really get that final polished drum sound. And we made it super easy to get started with really good preset starting points. So let's take a listen to the Push It, Slam It, and Gate Glitch presets. And the true power of these racks really comes in when you stack them. There's nothing stopping you from throwing 1, 2, 3, or more racks all onto one sound to create a really powerful processing chain. Take, for instance, the Hyper Wobble rack. Inside the Hyper Wobble rack, we have the Hyper PHAT rack, which saturates and increases the presence of any sound, and the Hyper Wash rack, which adds a cool washout effect during transitions or anytime you're trying to build tension. Let's take a listen to what stacking these racks actually sounds like. Elevate is an incredible collection of 10 Ableton processing racks like these, ensuring that you get the most from the world's most popular DAW, which is Ableton. You can click here to get instant access to Elevate so you don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to take advantage of the power of Ableton processing racks and get amazing results in your music.